welcome back to my channel. So it's officially summer. I think the first day of summer was like yesterday, and it's definitely getting warmer. So I thought the perfect way to kick off the summer season is to give you guys some fun and kind of easy DIYs that you can do this summer while you're out of school or just have some free time and you want to lay by the pool and do a little bit of crafting. If you guys haven't already joined the DIY family, definitely hit the subscribe button below and let's get into this video. So the first DIY that we're going to be doing today is a tie-dyed beach or poolside towel. So tie-dye is definitely making a comeback. You've probably seen a lot more clothes and a lot more accessories with tie-dyed designs. So we're gonna be doing a fun beach towel that's tie-dyed. So what you're going to need is a bath sheet, which is actually a larger size towel. I got this one at Target for $7.99, so you can pick one of those up. You're also going to need some tie-dye kits. So I picked up the Tulip one-step tie-dye kits in a couple of colors that I really liked. So I've got teal, yellow, and fuchsia. Inside these kits, it actually does come with a few rubber bands and some gloves for your hands so you don't get dye all over your hands. But I didn't know if there were gonna be enough rubber bands, so I just picked up another pack. So let's get started. You can either choose to wet your towel before you put your dye on, which will create more of like a blended dye look, or you can do it dry. I'm gonna do it dry because I want a lot of white to show, and I want the dye to be really crisp and have like clean edges and not so blended together like ombre. So I'm going for a bullseye look, so I want a lot of white to show. So I'm gonna tie my rubber bands really tight around my fabric. So I'm just gonna start at one corner and start putting on rubber bands. So for the next DIY, we are gonna be making something that if you ever went to summer camp and love to make things for your friends, you probably made these. We are gonna be making friendship bracelets. I made so many of these, I can't even remember. I tried all the different patterns. So today I'm gonna show you some of my favorite pattern designs in fun colors, but colors that you actually wanna wear. So I have all of these like fun colors. So let's get started. So we're not gonna be doing anything crazy. Most of my favorite designs are actually really simple. So you're gonna start off with 4 of your favorite colored threads and you're gonna measure them out 40 inches long. Start by separating all 4 of your colors. So you're gonna have 2 strands each. I'm gonna start with the lightest color first, and I'm just gonna cross over, making a 4 shape, like the number 4. Go across, under, and through. And again. Once I've completed about 20 knots, giving me a pretty good section, I'm gonna switch to the second color and continue the same pattern. For our next friendship bracelet, we're going to be using these really pretty colors. So same thing, measure out your length of each of your threads and tie a knot at the top and tape it down so you can start working with it. For this pattern, you want to separate all of your colors, 1 strand of each color on each side. So white, blue, rose, and charcoal. We're going to be making the chevron pattern, which is kind of like a half diamond. So once you have all of your colors separated out, You're gonna take your far left strand, make the number 4 over your second strand, go under and through, and pull tight all the way to the top. You're gonna do it twice on each strand until you get to the middle. So we're just doing it opposite on the other side. So we're making a backwards number 4 on each strand and knotting it twice and pulling it all the way up to the top until we get to the center. So now that both of our white strands, our first strands, are in the center, we're just gonna do that backwards 4 one more time and pull it over, under, and through and pull tight twice. And that finishes one layer of the chevron. The first one's always gonna look a little weird because you're just getting started and getting all the strands in the right place. But just keep going now with your second color all the way down. I think the best way to make friendship bracelets kind of modern and look fresh and new is really picking the right colors. So pick colors that you love right now, that are really trending in fashion, that you wanna wear. Either it's neon or anything to match your aesthetic. I think you're really gonna like them because I don't think friendship bracelets ever really go out of style. It's just on how you pair the colors together. And these are like classic patterns, so don't be afraid to use a very simple design and making your friendship bracelet like really simply and really fast, but you're using really cool colors, so it works. So for the next DIY, I thought it would be fun to make kind of like a beach tote bag, or just like a regular tote bag that you can use for school or going to the craft store. So I picked up this natural tote from Michael's, and they had 2 different sizes, but I thought this kind of like mini size was pretty cute. And then what you're gonna need is some fabric paint in the colors that you like. And I have been obsessed with fruit print, like dresses with bananas on them and lemons and peaches and stuff like that. So I'm gonna show you guys how to use lemons or different types of fruit as stencils. So Kinsley really wants my lemons. No, you can't have my lemons. You can't have my lemons. You can't have my lemons. It's a lemon, it's not a ball. This is not a baby. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make a stencil out of lemons. We're gonna make a fun printed design on our tote bag. So let's get started. So for my overall design, I wanted to both use full-size lemon shapes in my pattern and also the stencil of the lemon on the inside. And you'll see what that means in a minute, but I'm going to first kind of use the shape of the lemon as a guide to paint a couple of lemons on my canvas. So to use your lemon as a stencil, what you're gonna do is cut it right in half, like so. And we're just gonna kind of get off some of the lemon juice because we don't want that. We just wanna use it as a stencil. And then brush your paint onto your lemon, like so. And then find a good spot and press down, voila. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, definitely hit the like button below. I think these are really fun and easy but creative DIYs that you can do this summer. Definitely let me know which one was your favorite DIY, and as always, if you guys attempt any of these DIYs, definitely tag me on Instagram at MaCenna so I can check it out and show you guys some love. And if you're not already part of the family, definitely hit the subscribe button below because I post new videos every week. So you're not going to want to miss them, and I will see you guys next week. Bye guys!